Hi, this is Hari Mohan Vasne, and in this tutorial we are going to do a topology optimization. So let's start. First we are going to put geometry here, import geometry, open, then we are going to do static structural analysis using the same geometry, and there we are going to put topology optimization. Okay, open mechanical model. So this is a surface. Here first we are going to put analysis type from 3D to 2D, update project, then go to mechanical. Here click on this surface, thickness I'm going to put thickness 10 mm. 2D behavior, plane stress will be there. Okay, and material is structural steel. Insert sizing, geometry, and element size 0.2. Okay, then generate mesh. So here we are going to insert remote displacement, apply on this hole, apply x 0 mm 0, fix this, we will also fix rotational 0, and behavior is deformable. So here we have preferred remote displacement instead of fixed support to avoid high local constrained stiffness and also stress. Okay, now I'm going to insert, that is force, select this edge, apply, change to vector to components, and in y direction 10 Newton. Okay, then solve. Here we can insert deformation total and stress equivalent to one message, evaluate all. So here you can see that equivalent stress is very less in all the areas. Only here stress is there. Deformation is maximum on the edges. Okay. Then we are going to optimize region, all body. So here percentage, we are going to put here 20%. Okay. So here we are going to solve, and at the same time solution information 0.1, Okay. So it is showing topology density tracker. So this is showing all response conversion, iteration number, constraints, objective iteration number. So here you can see topology density. So here we are going to put 0.6. Okay. We are going to insert topology elemental density. This will produce result based on the element value. So evaluate. So you can see elements. So here if we want to see user defined results, so then here we are going to put for topology based on. Okay, and another one is element based, so here ETOPO. Okay, now evaluate all results. So you can see user defined results. This is showing topology. So this portion is contributing for stiffness, and for this is showing 0.01, it is not contributing anything. This is element base.